Make a great choice today with the 2016 Range Rover. The luxury that's more than a luxury. It's quite apparent throughout our Range Rover heritage and is priced below $75,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, heated rear seats, four-wheel disc brakes, active suspension system, center armrest. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.